Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for July 1 to 7, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So let's see what's coming to you this week, Libra. Ano yung overall energies ng mga Libra? Okay. We have the Two of Swords. Meron kayong decision making. Some of you medyo nahihirapan, no? Alin yung pipiliin? Alin or sino ang pipiliin? Okay, let's see some of you kung ano yung specific area of life. Oh, relationships. Pwedeng business partnerships, romantic connections. Meron kang major decision. Ano yung possible challenge? You have the Five of Swords. Ooh, this is conflict with someone. Yung iba sa inyo maka-experience kayo ng betrayal, no? Sa isang tao na malapit sa inyo. Pwede rin namang sa workplace to, but it seems na meron ditong may ill intentions, no? O pwedeng hindi mapagkakatiwala ang kaibigan or a person that you are dealing with right now. Let's see your opportunity. The Magician. Wow. So as an opportunity, meron kang kakayanan na maayos yung mga challenges na haharapin mo ngayon. This is about power, having your means, your resources. And then your blessing is the Hangman. So ano man yung mga bagay na hindi matutuloy ngayong week na to, i-consider mo na blessing yon. Okay? Dahil you are being protected from anything na hindi ka hindi ka magbe-benefit. Let's say meron kang flight, kumbaga hindi natuloy or na-delay. It's your protection. Kaya na-delay yon. So just take it as it is. What is the Two of Swords? You have the Nine of Wands. Ooh, okay. So, some of you, maaring may pinagtitiisan kayong sitwasyon ngayon. This can be a relationship or a career. Pwedeng relationship, no? Mas malakas yung energy for relationships here. Ngayon, iniisip nyo, is it worth it? Worth it pa ba magstay sa relasyon na to o hindi na? Go or no go? Ganon. Tuloy pa ba? Laban or baway? Ganon. What is the Five of Swords? You have the the Ten of Pentacles. Oh, some of you, Libra, meron kayong issues, disputes around inheritance, no? Pwedeng merong mana or properties sa family na may pwedeng nag-aagawan, merong nagkikipagmatigasan. Alam mo yung tipong sa family na may paghahati-hatian kayo. Pero ang hirap paghati-hatian yung properties na yon. Kasi unang-una, parang ano siya tangible, like say, bahay, lupa. Alam naman, ikat-kat mo yung ano na yan, no? Yung bahay na yan. Lupa pwede, pero let's say, bahay. Isa lang yon. Paano yon, diba? So, maaring isa yan sa challenge ninyo. Pwedeng ibenta, diba? Pero yung iba, pwedeng mahihirapan i-liquidate. But for some of you, kung hindi man to sa properties inheritance, this can mean sa workplace mo na merong, you might have this person na parang laging naghahanap ng away. Or parang laging hinahanapan ka ng butas, ng problema, ganun. What is the Magician? You have the Six of Cups. Okay. I feel like your opportunity right now is to nurture and take care of yourself. And at the same time, mag-focus sa goals mo, sa pangarap mo, especially ng bata ka. Ano ba yung pangarap mo ng bata ka? 'Di ba? Magpapadistract ka ba sa mga taong pinipigilan yung pag-unlad mo at pinipigilan yung pag-abot sa pangarap mo? Hindi, 'di ba? So lalaban ka talaga. What is the Hangman? Justice. So, Libra energy. This is your energy as well. So, I think yung blessing sa inyo is you will get the the karma that you deserve. So pag sinabi natin karma, hindi lang naman yan bad karma. There's also good karma. So kung ano yung mga itinanim mo, yun yung aanihin mo. So if you think that you deserve justice, then definitely makukuha mo yung justice na yan. Kumbaga yung iba sa inyo matagal yung hinintay to, no? Matagal yung hinintay na makuha ang hustisya na yan. And now you are being blessed with the justice that you deserve. Okay? Let's see your money, career, finances. Oh, lucky you. Swerte. This is your lucky time. Everything are turning in your favor. Connections. So, meron kang mga bagong connections. Nagpapalawak ka ng connections mo ngayon. Mas maraming maaring nakakakilala na sa'yo. Itong mga connections kasi na to, makakatulong yan sa'yo sa business, sa trabaho, sa career mo. So, mas maganda, the more connections you have, the more chances of winning. Sabi nga, di ba, your network is your net worth. Wow. Let it flow. The universe says, go with the flow. So, kung may mga bagay na hindi nangyayari for you, just, hayaan mo lang. No? As long as sa tingin mo nagawa mo na yung part mo, ibig na sabihin nun, hindi yun para sa'yo. And then, just go with the flow kung saan ka dinadala. No? Do not resist kung saan kang path na dinadala kasi that is your destiny. No? You are being guided to your destiny, to your life's purpose. You have the 8 of Wands. Maraming kailangan gawin ngayong week na to sa iyong trabaho, no? You have the 4 of Wands. This is stability in your finances and your career. I think ngayon yung iba sa inyo masaya kayo sa trabaho, sa career, sa business na meron kayo. Kaya yung iba, naiinggit, no? Oo. Kaya laging merong mga very competitive sa paligid ninyo. I mean, okay lang yung competition as long as it's healthy competition, no? Fair, patas na competition. Sa relationship, naku, may ex. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng na-realize nyo that the person, yung ex ninyo, ay parang parang pinalagpas ninyo, no? Yung siya na sana dapat, tapos pinalagpas mo pa. Oo, Totga. The one that got away. Yeah, 3 of Cups, 5 of Pentacles, Daughter of Pentacles. I think, yung iba sa inyo merong kayong naging relationship na okay na yung takbo ng connection ninyo. Parang nagplan na kayo for your future. But, meron ditong naduwag, no? Parang siya, natakot. Pwede kasing sa tingin niya naging mabilis yung pangyayari. Na hindi pa pala siya ready for a major commitment. May mga ganun, na kahit mahal mo yung person, pero pwedeng itong person na to, gusto na agad mag-settle down. Tapos ikaw hindi pa ready. 'Di ba? Ang tendency nun, naghihiwalay, no? So, maaring iba sa inyo naka-realize na, ay, sayang. Sana pala tinuloy ko na. Yung mga ganun, okay? New job, new career for some of you, new position sa trabaho. Time to get out of a situation. I think ito yung situation na pumipigil sa'yo na mag-explore ng mga bagay na pwede mo pang subukan sa buhay. At meron kang kailangan ring iwasan na situation na alam mong toxic or something na parang may mga tao na, nagpo-provoke lang sa'yo. Celebration. There's celebration this week. Someone is behaving stupidly. I don't know kung ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with. Maaring meron mga tao sa paligid mo na parang hindi sila maayos kausap or kasama. So, maaring yun yung iiwasan mo. You will get out of that situation. Kindness. What if being kind to yourself really could change everything? So, pagiging mabuti sa sarili mo. Minsan kasi inuuna mo yung ibang tao. So, I mean, that's fine, pero wag mo hayaan na makalimutan mo yung sarili mo. Patience, it is safe to wait. Yes, may mga bagay na worth waiting for. Okay? Kasi minsan, pag minamadali natin isang bagay, hindi natin nakukuha talaga yung best. No? Kasi minadali eh, di ba? So, patience is the key to success for some of you, Libra. So, that is your reading. Thank you so much. Bye!